Welcome to ItzRafiq. In today's video, we will discuss about Class 9 Computer Science practical examination. Your practical examination will be for 30 marks, and in your theory exam, there will be 70 marks. Out of 30 marks, you will have total 3 questions. One will be from Word, one will be from PowerPoint, and another one will be from Excel. From Word, you will mostly will have an application, notice, or to make biodata, which I have already prepared videos how to make application, how to make notice, how to write biodata in MS Word, so you can follow that. And even in today's video we'll try some of that. And in PowerPoint, just you have to know how to make slides, how to insert photos, and how to add animation and all. That much is enough. And for Excel, you will have to use how to enter data in the particular spreadsheet, and how to create chart, how to use formula and function. That much is required. Now first we'll see here how can we write an application in MS Word. How to write an application to principal or headmistress for leave of absent. So for that, first we will have to open MS Word. For that you will go to start menu. After that you will go to all programs, and then you will get MS Word. So that way you can open it. So here in Windows 10, or if in your computer MS Office is already installed, you can do that one. Press Windows plus R key, run menu will open. There you write WINWORD and hit enter button. So MS Word will open. So you will get this window in Office 7. So it does not matter where are you in Office 7, Office 10, Office 16 or Office 18. Almost their environment is same only. So make it okay. Then you will go here, page layout. From there margins option is there. You can take narrow or moderate. Okay, moderate. After that, while you are writing an application, the question is write an application to your principal for asking 2 days of leave. So first you will have to write 2, after that comma. Okay, then next line you will write the principal or headmistress, headmaster, anyone, whatever is there in your school. After that you will write name of the school. Suppose ABC Public School. After writing the school name, you will come to next line, and here you will write address of the school. Suppose it is Guwahati. After writing the address, you will come down, you will keep one more line back gap, and here you will write the present date. So I am writing today's date, which is 11th September 2023. Now after that we'll come to next line. There we'll write subject SUBJECT and colon, and here we will write leave application for leave of absent. Okay, now again we'll keep one more line blank. After it we'll write sir or madam. If it is male, then sir. If it is female, then we'll write madam. Let it be sir, comma. We'll go to next line again. There we'll write I hereby want to inform you that I will be absent from, or I will not able to attend school from, you will give any date, suppose it's 12th September to 15th September. 12th September to 15th September, then comma 2023, due to or on account of, anything you can write, or you can write as my family is, as we have a special occasion in our hometown. So this way, or you can give some any other reason, whatever you want. After that, kindly, so kindly accept my request for being absent in these 3 days, and grant me leave. Full stop. Then you will come, you can write here thanking you. After that you will go to little down, 2-3 lines gap. Then you will write here you're obedient. You're obedient. Then you will write your name. Your name like X, Y, Z, and class 9 section A. So this way you can write an application. And for an application we need just normal font, no need to change the font color and all. And if your teacher asks you to change the font color, then you select the whole text in your document by using Ctrl A. After that, go here in font group, click in the font list, and from there you can select any. As of now I am selecting Times New Roman, and if you want to increase the size from here you can increase it, let it be 14. So this is my application. So this way you can write an application. And to save the file, click here on the office button, click on save or save as, anything you can select, and you select the location where you are going to save, suppose on document. After that, in file name you write your name, and after that save the file. So this way you can written later in MS Word. How to create biodata, we have already prepared videos. Some videos will give the video link in comment section. You can go through that and you can watch it. Now we will see how we can create chart in MS Excel. For that, first we have to open Excel. For that, we'll go to search menu and here we write Excel. So we'll get Excel apps option. We'll click that. By default this page will open. Suppose here we will have the minimum and maximum temperature of a city for 7 days. So first we have to make the table. For that we will have like days, then minimum and maximum. After that we will write Sunday. After writing Sunday, we can just drag it to get the next days, like till Saturday: Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And to make the column little wider, you will see that Wednesday AY is coming out of the cell. So if you want to adjust the cell address or cell size, go between B and C and double click, so it will automatically adjust it. Now we'll have to give the temperature. For that, let me check the weather app. So here I am giving some temperatures, 26 and 34, and again 34, 26, 35, 27, 37, 24, 33, 23, 34, 24, 37, 22, 31. So suppose these are some temperature record for a city. After writing the data, you can put borders by using this. Select the table and here you go to in font group, you'll select border option, select all borders, so border will be applied here. And after that, if you want to change the color, you select header row, and from here fill color you can give some other color. Let the color be light blue. Now we have to create chart. For that we will select the whole table. After selecting the table, we will go to insert menu and here we'll get column, line, whatever chart is required. Suppose I am taking this one and click on that option which chart style you like. So this one came here. This is the comparison between maximum and minimum temperature for 1 week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, for maximum red color and minimum blue color. So this way we can create chart in MS Excel. Now let's have a little recap on PowerPoint also. Who are totally new in this, for that, for expert one I have already made some other videos, you can watch that. So you'll require one more thing practical, that is a PowerPoint presentation. For PowerPoint presentation, first you will have to open the PowerPoint app. For that you will write PowerPoint, just power ID and only it will appear, or you write complete spelling PowerPoint, then the app will appear and you click on the app. Now you will see here by default just one slide will be there and you will get two boxes, click to add title, click to add subtitle. This where the boxes are there where we can write. These boxes are known as placeholders, and in slides pane these are number of slides. By default there will be just one slide. Suppose my topic is we have to create a presentation on some XYZ topic. For that, like first in the first box we'll write presentation, on XYZ. Okay, and here in subtitle you will write presented by, then your name. X, Y, Z. So this will be your cover page, and here if you want to change the text style and all, this you can do by this. Just select the text, go here in text style option, you can select any style. And now to give themes to the presentation, you can go here design tab. On the design tab you will get by default some design. You can select it whatever you like. So let it be this one. Now we will go to home tab again. From home tab we can create a new page. For that we will click here on new slide option. Directly if you click on new slide you will get one page with a book title and content, and if you need with other template you will click on this arrow icon. From here you can select. I am taking title and content, so you will write the title for your slide here, and here you will write the content. And if you want to add a picture, just you will go here insert pictures and you will add the pictures. I think I do not have any pictures right now. I have some pictures but that are useless. Let's go to desktop. There I might have. So here this one. And when you insert a pictures, the pictures will come in its original size. By dragging on the corner you can make the picture small or big. So this way I made the picture little smaller. This way you can do it. Okay. Now here you see the slide is looking white because I have selected the theme as white. Still you can change the background style from here. As you can see, I can take dark color or any other color, or I may take some other style also. So whatever you like you can take it. And after that slide transition, for that you will go animation tab, and from here you can take any style whatever you prefer. Okay. And for animation you select the text. After selecting the text you will go here custom animation, add effects, entrance, select any style and click on play to preview it. And to play the slideshow you will press F5 key or go to slideshow and from beginning. So you see here, and for go next slide, any spacebar or arrow buttons. So this way you can create a presentation. And for saving, same file, save, and you will give your file name and click on save button. So this way you can make presentation. And for oral examination, see all type of short answers, especially chapter 1 and shortcut keys. I think all chapters are required. No one can give you common for oral because it's totally depend on the teacher who is taking your practical. If mood is good, then you may get easy questions. If your teacher's mood is not that good, then you might get some hard questions. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.